Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pelmo. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video, we're going to be checking out this new Hot Wheels Mattel Creations Daniel Arsham Porsche Speedster, and we will crack it open right now. It was a nice thick box it was in, and this box looks pretty nice as well. Really cool packaging. Kind of like embossed. Year 2955 it says. Goes in whatever. I'll let you guys pause it and check it out. There's the Hot Wheels Arsham logo. Quite a production to get into the actual box. Oh, so that's what this razor blade infographics thingamajig pamphlet is telling you. I think you have to cut here to open the box, so not too thrilled about that. I wonder if I could just pull the tape back. Doesn't look like I can. Alright, well that's kind of cool though, the way it opens up. See how it... Let's see if I can get my arm out of the way, but it drops down into the box. That's pretty cool. The definite presentation's pretty crazy on it. This particular one is called the Bonsai, and it's kind of got, it's supposed to be like a denim interior. Kind of the unfinished, almost Zamac looking exterior, but they do have some spots on it to mimic the real car. I think it was supposed to be like a denim interior, I believe. I'm not crazy about the steering wheel. Looks really cheesy, but that's the Hot Wheels 356 steering wheel, so there's not much we can do about that. I don't care for the wheel choice either, but I don't think they had a lot of options to go off of. Base is supposed to look like marble. I wish I could have reviewed the 911 Turbo release, but that sculpture one, but I wasn't able to win one off of the RLC site that morning when it was released. This is definitely not bad. I like the logos on the back, the badging and everything, but it's definitely, I don't think it was worth what I paid for it, but I can see what all, you know, there's a lot of work went into the thought of the packaging. Would I recommend buying this one? Probably not, but since I do collect the Porsche models and I was able to score this, I kind of jumped on it, but the price, in my opinion, was pretty high, you know, for what you get. But you can see they did a pretty decent job of mimicking the actual car with these lead lines. And the staining on the actual car. It looks really well done on here. It looks a lot better in person than it does here looking at my video monitor. I think it looks pretty good. Like I said, the steering wheel looks horrible, but you can't really do a whole lot with that. I'm not going to take this off the base just yet, but it's definitely a metal base on it. Metal body, of course, red line wheels and tires. It's not bad. I mean, Hot Wheels tried. I give them that for the interior, but the steering wheel is just absolutely horrendous. Do I care for the denim interior? No, I do not, but the real car is that way. Do I think the artist tries hard to be bold and make a statement and say, look, I have FU money? Yes, I do. I mean, it's pretty obvious he goes above and beyond to kind of, shouldn't say shock, but there's some shock value to some of his sculptures and artwork. Obviously, it's quite bold. It's hard to not go off camera, but it's pretty cool. It's a little nicer than I thought it was going to be in person, I have to say. Believe it or not, it definitely looks very realistic. The raw body with the lead lines on the back side there looks like something Auto World would do. That looks pretty good in my opinion. Like the staining on the car looks pretty good. The gold badging on the back looks really good. I don't know if my camera is able to pick that up. I need to get a new camera desperately. If anyone ever wants to start a GoFundMe account for a camera, that would be super duper. So I've been using this one about, what, 15 years? Base has tints of green in the marble look on the base. I think they did a really nice job presentation wise. I think on this, like the box and everything looks really, this is really heavy. It almost feels like there's a slice of a plywood board or something up under there. It's really heavy. Very nicely done. Like the box, the presentation of it's just crazy how much goes into packaging that is wasteful in my opinion. But this, I'm thinking this might all be biodegradable cardboard of some sort, but this is obviously white plastic inside there, but really cool. So I'm not 100% sure yet if I'm going to yank this off the base or do I keep it in intact. I don't really know yet, but I'll probably get shots of that for. All right, now we have it up on a turntable. We can take a look at it, and it's not bad. Like I said earlier, in my opinion, it's a hype beast and kind of overpriced in my opinion for what you're getting. I don't know how many of these they made. I don't think they even tell you because they're not serial numbered. So let's just say 125,000 perhaps. It's my guess, maybe more. I'd say 100,000 easily. But that's just me speculating. I don't know. but it's not bad. It's definitely a little bit better than I thought it was going to be out of the pack. It's not bad. It definitely looks fairly realistic, the exterior of it for a Hot Wheels car, I must say. But the dead giveaway, of course, as soon as you look at the steering wheel and the clunkiness of the interior, you know it's a Hot Wheels. But it's not bad. I'll get a shot here. I brought up 2 other examples out of my display case, and I'll get a shot of them all together to give you an example. All right, so obviously this is with 2 other more recent releases of the 356 Speedster, and it is exact, obviously. All 3 of them do have metal bases. I think mainly they do that because of the way the bumpers are incorporated into the base. It would look really, really bad, I think, to have a black or a gray plastic base with this Speedster. So I give it that. At least they're all 3 premiums, so to speak. There you go. Thanks for watching this one. And if you like this unboxing video and whatnot, please give me a like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it. It's free. You can't be free. I know it's been several months since I've posted anything. I get burned out doing them, and I do these for free, basically, the videos. And so like I said, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. You guys have a good night. Bye now.